You've seen it all over social media, the striking pink serum that's on everybody's shelf. But what makes the Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum more than just a pretty color? In this video, we share how to properly use the Soothing and Barrier Support Serum, including the ingredient benefits and the big question, what makes the serum pink? Firstly, the Ordinary Soothing and Barrier Support Serum is a leave-on emulsion designed not to be washed off after application. It's formulated for daily use or every other day, depending on your skin's tolerance, and is ideal for all skin types. So what makes this viral serum so special? The multi-active solution is targeted at reducing the look of irritated skin and recovering the skin barrier. It also provides an immediate 86% boost in skin hydration, soothing discomfort, and reducing redness. While strengthening the skin barrier, this serum also improves the look of uneven texture, making your skin appear smoother. The serum is powered by 8 key technologies, including vitamin B12 for barrier support and reducing redness, gallic acid derivatives for soothing skin discomfort, soothing complex, a ceramide complex, 2% niacinamide, sugar-based hydrators, and centella, which are all focused on hydration, barrier repair, and protecting the skin from irritants. Now, it's the vitamin B12 that gives the serum that pink color. This serum does have a little bit of stickiness to it, but it's easy to glide onto the skin. We have also noticed that some people who have rosacea have commented that their skin was irritated by the serum. So if you do purchase it, make sure to do a patch test first. So how to use the Ordinary Barrier Support Serum in your current skincare routine. So you first want to start with your cleansing routine, whether that be your first cleanse or at nighttime your double cleanse. Then going in with your toner, which is optional, any water-based serums like hyaluronic acid, then go in with your barrier support serum, followed by any oil serum. Finish with your moisturizer, and if it's during the day, wear your SPF. 2 drops of the barrier support serum is plenty for your entire face and neck. If you feel like you need a bit more for your chest area, feel free to add another drop. If your skin feels milky or pills with your moisturizer, you might have applied too much serum or not allowed enough time for the serum to absorb into the skin. Now, we do have a big skin tip to prevent cross-contamination, is to avoid direct contact between the dropper and your skin. When using this serum in your skincare routine, do avoid mixing it with ascorbic acid and vitamin C. If you do use that ingredient in your routine, use the vitamin C in the morning, and then you can use your barrier support serum in the evening. So we're going to hand it over to you. Do you like the new Ordinary Barrier Support Serum? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you are experiencing stinging from applying certain skincare, then check out this video here around why your skin burns or stings when applying your skincare.